What's good, everybody? I hope y'all having a great day. Today is day 12, January 12th, 2025, and we're gonna do some legs today. We're gonna start off with something different. We're gonna work on some calves and then work our way towards the actual legs. So let's get it started. We're gonna start out with 50 pounds on each side to kind of push off and get it going. We're doing 4 sets, 25 reps, 100 total, and then we'll keep it moving. I'm not gonna lie, chat, today I ate pretty bad. I had a cheat day, not because I wanted to, but because there was no Fit Foods prep meals ready to go. So we ended up actually getting some McDonald's. Big thumbs down, to be honest. I didn't even like it, but we're gonna go ahead and get back on track, eat right, and yeah. All right, chat, just finished 100 reps of the calf raises. Time to move on, hit some legs. Let's go. We're gonna start with 110 and work our way up. We're gonna do 10 reps, 4 sets. Let's go. We're gonna hit the seated leg curls. Man, it's gonna be a long 2 weeks. So I don't have any time off. I'm gonna be working through my entire weeks. So no days off. And I plan to do the same for the gym. Even though I'm gonna be off at 1 a.m., I will still be here at the gym. I hope that you guys do the same, because life is too short to just stop trying. You just gotta fill all your time with positive things, family, loved ones. Just keep it pushing, man. Life will all work out, I promise you, if you keep trying. Let's get it going. It's time for the leg extension. Let's start at 115. We'll move our way up. See how it goes. All right, let's hit these curls. Roll the shirt up so y'all can roast me. Let's go. Another great day in the books. Day 12 finished. Get some rest, because we're coming back for day 13. Remember, get your rest, drink your creatine, your protein, come back with a great attitude, and we're gonna have a great workout. Comment, like, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all. We'll see y'all later.